Welcome back to UK Autocar, and now we're talking about the number 2 pick for 2026 performance street bikes, the Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory. This motorcycle continues Aprilia's reputation for blending race-inspired design with everyday usability, and the 2026 model brings fresh refinements that make it even more exciting for riders who want sharp performance without jumping to a full superbike. The exterior of the 2026 Tuono 660 Factory receives subtle but effective updates that enhance its aggressive Streetfighter identity. The front fairing looks sharper, the LED lighting has been refined for a cleaner and more modern appearance, and the updated graphics give the bike a premium factory look. The aerodynamic shaping has been improved to offer better wind deflection at speed while keeping the naked bike character intact. The sculpted fuel tank and slim side panels improve rider grip and control during hard acceleration and cornering, and the updated seat design offers better comfort for daily riding without taking away from the sporty feel. For 2026, Aprilia has fine-tuned the chassis and suspension on the Tuono 660 Factory to deliver even sharper handling. The factory variant continues to feature high-quality adjustable suspension, giving riders more control over ride comfort and performance depending on road conditions and riding style. The lightweight aluminum frame keeps the bike agile and stable, making it easy to flick through corners while still feeling planted at higher speeds. The improved balance makes the Tuono 660 Factory feel more confident during aggressive riding, whether on twisty mountain roads or fast urban routes. Powering the 2026 Tuono 660 Factory is the 660cc parallel twin engine, known for its punchy mid-range and smooth power delivery. For the latest model, engine tuning has been refined to improve throttle response and make acceleration feel even more immediate. Engine power remains around 100 horsepower, which is impressive for a mid-weight naked bike and delivers thrilling performance without being overwhelming for experienced riders. The power delivery is linear, allowing riders to push confidently through the rev range. The 6-speed gearbox works smoothly, and the quickshifter provides fast, seamless gear changes that enhance the sporty riding experience. Performance is where the 2026 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory really shines. The bike feels quick off the line, responsive through corners, and stable at speed. The maximum speed is expected to be around 225 km per hour, placing it among the fastest bikes in its class. The refined aerodynamics help with stability and rider comfort at higher speeds, reducing wind pressure on the chest. Despite its performance focus, the Tuono 660 Factory remains practical for daily riding, offering a balanced riding position that is sporty yet comfortable enough for longer journeys. Fuel average is surprisingly reasonable for a performance-focused motorcycle. Riders can expect around 18 to 20 km per litre under mixed riding conditions, depending on riding style. This makes the Tuono 660 Factory usable as a daily bike without constant fuel stops, while still delivering strong performance when you open the throttle. The 2026 model comes equipped with advanced electronic rider aids, including multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, engine braking control, and adjustable ABS. These systems are designed to enhance safety and performance, allowing riders to customize the bike's behavior to match their skill level and road conditions. When it comes to price update, the 2026 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory is expected to be priced higher than the standard Tuono 660 due to its premium suspension and factory upgrades. The estimated price range is around $12,500 to $13,200, depending on the market and local taxes. Overall, the 2026 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory model offers a strong combination of aggressive exterior updates, refined performance, impressive engine power, high maximum speed, practical fuel average, and premium features, making it one of the most exciting mid-weight naked bikes to watch in 2026.